Wow, this rain sef don't want to stop. Since morning that this rain has falling. Since everywhere wet for rain. See rain everywhere. As in, I don't understand though, guys. And today is weekend. Somebody need to cook. This is almost to one right now. And I want to go to the market. And this rain is still falling. I don't know if it's in the village it will not fall. See, this rain has been falling like around 10 o'clock since in the morning. Still now it's still falling. To go to the market. See that I've dressed up finished. Inside this poto like this. She just tire me. See my daughter. Ada, mommy want to go to the market too. Mommy want to go to the market to go and buy something to cook. Guys, I want to go to the market too. But this rain is just falling. But I have no choice. I just need to enter. So follow me to the market, to Agbor market, to go and buy food stuff. The rain everywhere. Everywhere. Rain. Fat. Adeze. Bye. Bye. Say bye to mommy. Bye. Yeah, come and lock the gate. Rain is too much. Fat. Everywhere. Rain. You said I should not show your face. I'm showing your face. I'm taking money, guys. Yes, so say don't show my face, don't show it. No, I'm showing it. Guys, I'm buying meat, so I'm where they are selling meat, goat meat. Yeah, this is where they sell meat in Agbor market, OWA market. So I'm buying meat now. Yeah. Yes, so I'm buying meat, like especially goat meat. So expensive. What is this? What I'm buying now. Guys, I'm buying okra. Okay. Two is okay. Yeah. I'm buying okra and I'm buying things. Yeah. Guys, I'm telling my customer that I did not did not show her face. So she said no problem. What did you say? What did you say? So repeat it again. Even if I want my face to show in my vlog, so that the whole world will see. Is it? You like if it's some people that will say, don't video me. Oh. In fact, that's so special. Yes, now you are so special. Thank you. Guys, I'm buying fish. Wow. It's season for avocado now, guys. I'm buying avocado. Yeah. Now in Agbor now, avocado is very many. Yeah. And it's very, very cheap. All this avocado like this. 250 for one. 250. See where they are selling tomatoes. So, customer, come on. Tomatoes. I want to buy tomatoes. Yeah. This is where they sell tomatoes. Good morning. Now you are the video now. Sell tomatoes for me. Guys, I'm buying something. Yes. How much is that money fresh? Oh yeah, bring it now. Guys, I'm buying my baby wipes. Yeah, this one is too small. At least medium, this is too small. This one is okay. Yeah. I'm buying from my customer, my runaway customer that travel.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, guys. I bought this oil, King's oil, groundnut oil, 12,000 naira. 12,000 naira, guys. Thing is so expensive in the market. I can remember last year. Is it last September? Yes, September. Like September, October last year. I bought 25 liter. That was 33,000 naira. Last month on my baby dedication, the tea just increased overnight. It was 42,000 naira. We bought the 25 liter. Yes, that was last month. This one, they sold it for me 12,000 naira. But what can we do? We move. Yes, so guys. This is fruit. This banana as well. Bought some fruit. What is that? Orange, avocado, mango. And these avocados, they are very cheap. Oh, these avocados, 250. Yes, 250. Even with this one also. This one have not ripe. This two has ripe. Mango, there's no more mango again, especially this type of mango. No more again in the market. So all this one is fruit. Yeah. This banana have just spoiled. Now, in fact, yeah. Got onions. Yes, onions is very cheap in the market right now. Yes, I bought onions. What again? Yes, I bought this also. Pineapple. Yes, I bought pineapple also. Yeah, yeah. What is that? Okay. Yeah, I bought milk. This is my baby wiper, Angel. Yes, I bought milk. Our milk is almost finished. Oh, I just pick all this also. Yeah. Guys, I bought this zobo leaf. I want to make zobo. I just bought small one, like thing that can reach like maybe ever water, the big one because I don't know, maybe my daughter, she will like it. So I want to use this pineapple and some of this fruit to make it. I want it to be very rich. Yeah, I bought this. What is this? Yeah. Okay, yeah, this is stockfish, and this everything here is just okra, odolo, and stockfish. Yeah, yeah. I bought this soap. This soap is for my baby for worship plates. You see this? If you give her, my daughter, favor, she will finish it, and I will be shouting because of that. Oh yeah, you are free. Waste it anyhow. Yes. So I bought that one also. What is this? Fufu. This is hard dog fufu. I want to pound it. Yes. What is this? This is meat, goat meat. Yeah, that I want to use. This is goat meat. Yeah. This is pap. Yeah. This is fish. This fish is very good fish. And this guys, see this pepper. Everything of this pepper is 1,008. Oh. 1,008. Tomatoes, I think tomatoes is it 1,800 or 1,700? Tomatoes 1,002. Pepper, short, everything. I just tell the woman to just blend it. Just blend it in the market. See, very small. If you see tomato, they are selling like 4 pieces now, 500. Tomatoes is very costly in the market now. Yeah, this is all that I got. So yeah, it's so we are weekend, so it just I want to make soup and stew. So I just got some of this thing that we don't have inside again. Yes, I don't know, maybe if I'm going to take you along my cooking. If it's not, this video will end here. Then I will I'll start another one when I'm cooking. Yeah, cook stew, cook soup. Yeah, guys. Yeah, Grace. Bye bye. Yeah, you see, Grace just got me as I just came back from market, from the gate. She saw me when I was just coming back from the bike like this. Mommy, carry me. See, hey guys, I'll see you all in my next video. Sign out.